Hi sir, welcome to the show. My name is Cutie and I'm hosting this event. How are you, sir?
Very
All
well,
good.
thank you.
Thanks
How
for
are you?
having us.
Thank you so much. I'm also good. And I've heard that you guys have completed the race and everything on a national level. Guys, you represent India. That's very good. It's an honor to have you guys here.
Thank you.
I just wanted to ask, how's overall view about this event, about the tracking race and everything, about the people? How do you like the event, basically?
Who goes first? Him only.
Sir.
Okay. So basically, yeah, I think it's been held after a long time here, and what I've heard from the organizers is that they're planning to make it an annual event. They're trying to make it into a festival of speed, which is very good because nowadays we have no events in the north. So I'm very glad that at least something is happening, and the layout of the track and the concept is very nice and very unique, and I hope they make it an annual event, and best of luck to them.
Thank you, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, the event is going very well. It's a lot of participants and the good crowd, and the overall the layout of the track is very, it's very tricky, and
Yeah.
some of the points are very, hard for the new drivers. So it's going very well.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience, sir. One more question. I would like to go personally. If I ask you your highest speed at the tracking race was or is till now?
You mean at the racetrack?
Yeah,
So,
at the racetrack.
So I've been into racing also, track racing. So my highest speed was at the Bud International. It was at 235 or 245, something like that.
Great. And what about you, sir?
Same 220, 225.
And what's this idea of racing? How do you get this idea to start? Was your interest like from the starting in this, or you got an idea, or how your interest came in this thing?
It's from the beginning actually,
Okay.
from the very younger days. So always into cars and bikes. So it's like since ages now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since how many years you're doing this?
It's been almost, for me, it's like 18, 20 years now.
Wow, that's great.
I've been driving since I was 9 years old. So I started competitive racing when I was 17 years old.
Okay.
So I think more than now.
One last question
1993.
from both of you. Anything happened embarrassing on the racing track? Anything happened with you which embarrassed you?
There are a lot of things happened, but
You were
not
able to handle
really.
it. You were able
Nothing
to handle it.
remembering.
There's
right
no,
now.
this, I mean, it's a sport. If you take it as a sport, I don't think there's anything embarrassing about it. Winning or losing is always there, and besides that, I don't think anything embarrassing happens. Otherwise, I mean, we don't drive shirtless and also. That's
Thank you so much.